My name is Sanchit Santhosh Shetty from Grade 6C, the Millennium School Dubai. Today, I'll be displaying an octocopter that I designed for scientific research. The overview of my octocopter. One of the main purposes of this drone is to help the northern white rhinoceros, which is a critically endangered species. For us to save this species, we need to study more about them. This is where the octocopter drone comes into action. It is designed in a way to help scientists study about these animals in much deeper detail. The main components of the drone. The main components of the drone are the main chassis. This is the backbone of the drone. It holds all of the components of the drone. The drone contains 8 blades, 8 DC motors, 3 direction markers, a thermal tracking camera, and a solar panel on top. The drone's technical details. The drone is powered by a solar panel which sustains the 8 DC motors and the direction markers. To fly, the motors spin clockwise. This results in the rotors pushing air downwards, thus equaling to thrust. To help in the field of scientific research, high-tech sensory devices such as a thermometer and sensors are fit in. The thermal tracking camera is programmed to follow the organism that it sees. This can aid annual research in various ways. The drone is also fitted with a strong receiver, so it can broadcast live. The direction markers help trace and distinguish the direction of the drone. The octocopter's benefits. The octocopter can be airborne for long periods of time due to the solar-powered engines coupled with backup power. These drones can be used in any scientific research projects. The drone could carry any type of light equipment such as a thermometer, sensors, etc. Receivers embedded in the octocopter will relay live video and audio to the control center. Thank you and have a nice day.